Go and proclaim this message. The kingdom of heaven is near. Heal the sick, bring the dead back to life, cleanse the lepers, and drive out demons. You receive this as a gift, so give it as a gift. Do not carry any gold, silver, or copper in your purses. Do not take a traveler's bag, or an extra shirt, or sandals, or walking stick. Workers deserve their living. When you come to a town or a village, look for a worthy person and stay there until you leave. As you enter the house, visit peace. If the people in the house deserve it, your peace will be on them. If they do not deserve it, your blessing will come back to you. And if you are not welcomed and your words are not listened to, leave that house or that town and shake the dust off your feet. I assure you, it will go easier for the people of Sodom and Gomorrah on the day of judgment than it will for the people of that town. The Gospel of the Lord.